Meaning of dollhouse.
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 Dollhouse. A dollhouse is a miniature version of a house, typically used for play or display purposes. It is usually made of wood or plastic and can be furnished with miniature items such as furniture, appliances, and decorations. Dollhouses can range from simple and basic to elaborate and detailed, with some even including working lights and plumbing. They are popular among children, collectors, and hobbyists, and can provide hours of imaginative play and artistic expression. Overall, a dollhouse is a small-scale representation of a home that can be enjoyed by people of all ages.